Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're tackling what is honestly one of the most hotly debated topics in the business world right now, the massive, rapid evolution of AI in marketing. We're going to break down what this tech actually means for our day-to-day work and, more importantly, how we can completely reframe AI from this, looming threat into a seriously powerful human ally.
I mean, picture this. You wake up, grab your morning coffee, and see that some new piece of software can suddenly write a perfectly structured blog post, generate stunning custom graphics, build out a 10-slide presentation, and analyze a massive spreadsheet literally in the time it takes you to take your first sip. So the visceral reaction almost everyone has is a totally fair question. Wait, is AI going to replace my job? Honestly, it's an understandable fear when you see how fast the landscape is shifting.
Let's jump into Section 1, the AI job threat and automating marketing.
It feels like every single week, a new tool promises to completely automate our workflow. And yeah, that creates some anxiety. Just look at how wild these rapid capabilities have become. We're talking about writing blogs, creating images and videos, building presentations, generating social posts, crunching data. Stuff that used to eat up an entire week, done in minutes. But here's the really critical mindset shift. AI is not replacing marketing. It's just changing it.
Which brings us to Section 2. What marketers actually do, beyond the basics.
See, to understand why AI isn't just a simple plug-and-play replacement for humans, we have to look past that surface-level content creation. The reality of digital marketing is that it's deeply strategic work. We're researching nuanced customer behavior, understanding deep-seated audience pain points, creating long-term strategies, analyzing competitors, optimizing websites, building brands, and ultimately making the tough, complex decisions that actually drive business growth.
So, looking at that massive ecosystem of strategy and decision-making, you really have to ask yourself, can AI do all of that? Well, the answer is a pretty nuanced yes and no. Here's where the yes part comes in. AI is exceptionally, mind-blowingly good at repetitive tasks. Generating a dozen blog ideas, drafting social media captions, writing rough email drafts, suggesting SEO keywords, or summarizing a 50-page report. AI drastically reduces the friction for those specific steps. It's basically your ultimate high-speed assistant.
All right, Section 3, efficiency versus emotion and the human connection. If AI is the ultimate assistant for all that repetitive stuff, what exactly is left for us? It really comes down to this core contrast. On one side, you have AI processing. It is an absolute master of data, keywords, and repetition. But over on the other side, you have human understanding. Because at the end of the day, AI does not truly grasp human experiences. It doesn't feel emotions, and it definitely cannot establish authentic trust.
I actually want you to think about this for a second. Think about your absolute favorite brands. The ones you stay loyal to year after year. Why do you actually follow them? Is it because you found out they used an incredibly efficient algorithm to write their weekly newsletter? Probably not. You follow them because you feel understood. You stick around because they communicate in a way that connects with you on a real, human, emotional level. And that is something only humans can do.
Because of this dynamic, marketing isn't becoming less human, it's actually becoming more human. As AI takes all that manual, repetitive labor off our plates, the role of the evolving marketer shifts. You're no longer just a manual content creator. You are elevated. You become the strategist, looking at the big picture. You're the editor, refining the AI's raw, messy output. You're the storyteller, injecting real emotion and brand voice. And above all, you are the decision maker.
Let's zoom out a bit for Section 4, the next technology shift and the cycle of adaptation.
Look, if you're still feeling a bit of AI anxiety, it really helps to look backward. 20 years ago, people were absolutely terrified that search engines were going to destroy traditional marketing. But we adapted. Then social media turned the entire industry upside down. We adapted. Smartphones changed consumer behavior literally overnight. And you guessed it, we adapted again. AI is really just the latest transformation in a very predictable cycle of tech shifts.
And history gives us a pretty stark lesson on this choice of adaptation. In every single past generational shift, those who adapt, who learn the new tools, they usually thrive. They find brand new ways to provide value. But those who resist, the ones who just dig their heels in, they often struggle. Honestly, the biggest mistake you can make right now is just burying your head in the sand.
So let's talk solutions. Section 5, working smarter with AI and practical adaptation. So how do you actually adapt without feeling completely, utterly overwhelmed? The secret is, you really don't need to master every single new tool that launches on social media. You just need to get comfortable working alongside it. Start small. Step 1, use AI as a brainstorming partner to bounce ideas around. Step 2, use it to organize your messy, unstructured thoughts into a clean outline. And Step 3, just offload those boring, time-consuming, repetitive tasks to free up your schedule.
Because when you free up your schedule, you can focus on what really matters. Businesses today don't just want a human content generator. They need people who possess deeply human skills, the ability to think critically, solve complex real-world problems, truly understand what the customer is actually going through, and create high-level strategies that drive actual results. AI can give you a decent first draft, for sure, but human skills are absolutely required to make that final output meaningful.
We really have to shatter this whole us versus them mentality. It is not AI versus humans. The future is humans and AI working together. It's this unprecedented opportunity to work smarter, unlock completely new levels of creativity, and finally just focus on what uniquely human minds do best.
Look, if you take absolutely nothing else away from this explainer today, I want you to burn this quote into your memory. This is the definitive reality of our industry going forward. AI won't replace digital marketers. Digital marketers who use AI may replace those who don't.
And that leaves us with one final vital question for you to ponder today. Take a hard look at your own workflow, your daily tasks, your career trajectory. How will you adapt to work smarter with AI? The tools are sitting right there, just waiting for you to direct them. So get out there, start experimenting, and let's embrace the future of this amazing industry together. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.